welcome to MayLuxe Skincare. Hi, I'm May. If you're seeing my face for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. Do not forget to subscribe. You will love it here, I promise. And to my old subscribers, thank you for rocking with me over the years. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like this video, and share to your close circle. Today, we're going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me by Mychway, and this is a beautiful facial machine. I'm going to step into my bathroom and show you how to use this machine and what it looks like. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Mychway. Thank you so much for sending this device for me to review. As you all know, I suffer a lot from acne, right? So I do facials. I have my steam machine at home. When I was back in Africa, I did extractions. I did a full-blown facial suction and everything. So this machine sent to me by Mychway does exactly that. Only the suction part. It doesn't do like manual extraction or anything. So it will suck out black spots, white spots, just gunk and all the things that are stuck in your pores. It will clear your pores and it will make your skin look nice and supple. Let's go see how we're going to use this machine and everything that it entails. Hi, so we're going to be using, in true May fashion, I'm holding it upside down. So we're going to be using our device here to do our facials. So let's start. So you can see our microdermabrasion device. It came with a suction, several different heads to suck out the blackheads, the whiteheads, and the gunk. And then we have the microdermabrasion heads itself. So right here, I just laid out all the things that I need, and I'm also testing the machine. You have to push the power button and connect the tube to the suction cup over there before you start using it on your face. So there are two glass tubes. The flat one is for the wider area of your face, and then the narrow slim one is for areas around your nose. By the side is my display of everything that I'll be using for this session today. I also have my steamer, which I showed you in the beginning. I'm gonna plug it and let it start steaming. You probably hear it gurgling or bubbling or whatever, I don't know. First things first, I'm gonna wet my face as usual and try to scrub on it just a teeny bit, okay? Not too much. The thing I've done is wet my face. In a second, my face will start to turn red. So I'm going to use this tea tree scrub first to scrub my face, and just a little, not too much. You don't want to overdo it. Mainly focus on the problem areas. After the tea tree scrub is still on my face steaming, I'm going to add the Naturium AHA exfoliating mask. 10%. It has 5% glycolic acid and 5% lactic acid. Comes with a little spoolie. The instruction on the device is to steam your face first before you use. This is steaming. Let me fill you in. Let me put you on. This process costs hundreds of dollars at the spa, so you could do it yourself at home, save some coins. We are in a recession, and whatever you can do to save yourself some money, do it. The device comes with a manual. It tells you what to do. So we have gone ahead and steamed our face right here. We're going to rinse the scrub on our face and then start the extraction process with the microdermabrasion machine. We're going to start the suction process to remove whiteheads, blackheads, rough pores and every other thing that's on the face. Here I have changed the tip that I'm using, the glass top. I'm using the very small round one. That is the precision suction top that goes for little areas and crevices like around the nose, on the lips, on the chin, and just those little areas where the flat top cannot reach, and on top of the nose as well, because it's rounder and it is more stable than the flat one. And now I'm just being silly playing with that one zit. So do you see those little whiteheads in there? Oh my god. Yeah, that is disgusting. Oh, so I went back in this time with the microdermabrasion tools, and I am just going over the same spots on my face. Okay. I think I feel a little bit of stain, so I'm not sure what's happening. I'm going to use this bake one now for my entire face. Comes with a itty bitty filter right here. I'm gonna insert it in there, and then we're good to go. With facials, your face needs to be a little damp, so never do a dry face. Always make sure your face is a little damp. I have my steamer running. Going to do a clay mask a little bit, so try too much. That'll be good. But this is a part where you can either do your clay mask with the ordinary glycolic acid, which that's what I'm gonna do, or you can use warm water, to make your mask, your clay mask. So only made just a itty bit. And it burns because of the glycolic acid, sorry. Like it really burns. Like on the nose area. I think I over suctioned this area right here. Probably gonna bruise on there. Looks really red. Put it even in the eyebrows. You don't want to skip the eyebrows because sometimes you have acne in the eyebrows. Gonna let that dry for a few minutes, and then we'll be back to wash it off and apply our serums on our face and call it a night. So at this point you have to close your pores, so I'm going to use cold water to rinse my face and end the process. This is truly the part I love. Oh my goodness, this hurts. It stings. Like my face was stinging, my face was on fire. If I were a child, I would have been crying real tears. I was in pain. This is my worst part of every facial, the part where I get to clean my face with this toner. Oh my goodness, I absolutely dread it. Well, now I am applying my Clarins double serum on my face, and then I follow that with some hyaluronic acid for some moisture. I massage that in and mostly focus around my eye area because I don't do anything else on my eye area. So I'm just gonna massage my hyaluronic serum all over my face to restore the moisture from all that vapor, that steam from the machine that might dry your skin as well. Never mind that, I'm just making sure I still look cute. Okay, May, focus, grow up. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do here, I just noticed that I had some eye bags. My eyes were a little puffy, so I took some cooling globes. These are so cute. By the way, the pink, thank you very much, is so girlish. So I'm using that to massage my under eyes and also making sure that the hyaluronic acid is pressed into the skin and the skin absorbs it. Before using these cooling gloves, I had put them in the refrigerator, so they are quite cool. And let me tell you, it feels amazing. Does it work for puffy under eyes? Yes, because it just massages the eyes, you know. And after that, I go in with my eye masks. This one is a 24 karat gold eye mask with vitamin E and vitamin C. Then I apply a lip mask by Laneige, you know, just for some softness. And then I follow that with the Naturium lip balm. So yeah, while the eye mask is doing its thing, I am getting ready for bed. So I then go ahead to apply some perfume oils. Yes, I wear perfume to go to sleep. I apply it on my pulse point, behind the neck, on the wrist, in the elbows, behind the knees. Then I apply this vanilla fragrance by Okcha. It went very viral. I like it as my nighttime fragrance. It gets kind of strong because of the alcohol concentration when you spray it. So most times you have to spray and walk away, but it does really smell super duper nice. Now I'm ready to peel off the eye mask and my face looks pristine. A little busted from all the tugging and, you know, and suction and whatnot, but my face looks good and I am loving the glow. Okay, bye. I hope that cleared everything up, that detailedly explained how to use the device and how smooth and nice and shiny your face will look. Now you have to use it several times, and one tip, after using this device, your pores are going to be open, so please avoid makeup if you can for 24 to 48 hours. Don't apply any makeup, just apply a nice mild moisturizer. Avoid sun exposure, and if you have to go out, please apply sunscreen on your face. The link to the product is in the description box, and of course use my code for some dollars off. Thank you, Mychway, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, like, share, and subscribe. Until our next video, I am May, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.